Thanks for logging on to myfoxhurricane.com. So pretty interesting to look back over the past couple of years here. Back in 2021, we had a total of 21 storms that season. Last year, we had 14. We've had 18 so far this year, and we still have a little ways to go. So when you kind of think about it, this has really been a very active year. As expected, it was expected to be an active year. Even though we're looking at that El Nino factor, we're also looking at extraordinarily warm waters across all of the tropical basin, down through the Caribbean, the Gulf of Mexico as well. And that really played a big part in what is going on this season. So we are still watching Tropical Storm Philippe. Winds currently at 45 miles an hour. Notice the motion, though, moving to the west-southwest at 2 miles an hour. So this system is barely moving. In fact, Hurricane Center said this storm has moved 40 miles over the past 24 hours. So it is just very slowly working its way along. And then we have Tropical Storm Rina. This formed yesterday. So here is Philippe, but notice what's going on with this. You're seeing really the center is exposed. All the convection is sitting away from it. So it tells us wind shear. That is playing a big part in this system. But right now winds are at 45 miles an hour, and it is moving to the north-northwest at 6 miles an hour. So we've got this pair of tropical storms, and watch what happens as we go through the next several days. Rina works its way to the northwest, while Philippe very slowly works its way down to the south a little bit, and then makes that turn back to the north. So Rina will basically work its way through and eventually dissipate, it looks like, as we go through the weekend. And then following behind that will be Philippe. Remember, a couple of days ago, it looked like Philippe was actually going to basically just kind of fall apart, and the remnants of it would probably bring some heavy rains over towards Puerto Rico. And now we're talking about a storm that will eventually strengthen as we go through the weekend and into next week, and then work its way towards the north. Now, it's all over open waters, which is certainly good news, but we'll continue to watch this, and we'll keep you updated right here on myfoxhurricane.com.